So what you'll need is roughly 3 medium carrots. I've cut them into cubes, not too fine because you want some texture in that pie. Roughly 3 stalks of celery, also chopped the same kind of way. 1 medium-sized onion, the meat of 1 rotisserie chicken. I have roughly 150 grams of frozen peas, half a liter of chicken stock. This is some chicken stock that I made myself. You can also use chicken stock cubes. If you want the recipe, you can always leave a comment in the comment section below. 150 milliliters of heavy cream, 50 grams of flour, roughly 40 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 3 chopped up cloves of garlic, some salt and some pepper, and finally enough puff pastry for roughly 4 pies. 4 small pies, that is. So let's make the filling. Take a pan, put it on a fire, put the butter in there and let it get hot. Once the butter is nice and hot, add all the veggies, carrots, the celery and the onion. Don't forget the thyme and season it with some salt and some pepper. Give everything a real good stir and saute your vegetables for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, scoot all of your veggies to one side because we're going to add the garlic. Add a little bit of olive oil and your garlic and fry it off for roughly 30 seconds until you start smelling the garlic. Then you know it's ready to be mixed. There you go, mix it in. Add your flour and give everything a real good stir so that everything is coated with the flour. And let it fry for a minute or 2. After that, add the chicken stock and the cream. Give everything a good season of salt and pepper. Add in your peas as well and give everything a real good mix. Make sure to scrape the bottom of your pan so all the nice flavors get released. And let everything simmer for roughly 5 minutes until everything has thickened up nicely. Make sure to stir from time to time so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Alright, as you can see, everything has thickened up nicely. So now just turn off your fire and add your chicken in there. Give everything a really good mix. Let the mixture cool off completely before using it for the pies. It's already looking good. Once your mixture has completely cooled, we can start baking. I've already put 4 pieces of puff pastry on a baking sheet covered with baking paper and I poked some holes with a fork. Now let's just put our filling on the puff pastry. As you can see, I'm going to make 4 medium ones. You can also, of course, make them like half as big. It really depends on what you want. Make sure to leave a little bit of a space on the edges, because now we're going to come in with the rest of the puff pastry. Once everything is nice and covered, just fold everything in so it doesn't open. Fold and pinch, basically. As you can see, my pie pinching skills aren't the best, but we're not going for the looks, we're going for the taste. So now just cut a small cross in the middle so the steam can escape and it doesn't puff up too much. I'm going to also brush them with some egg wash. This is completely optional. If you don't like it, leave it out. I like it when my pastries are nice and golden brown, and this helps. Now put them in the oven and bake them according to your puff pastry instruction package. So after about 20 minutes, everything is nice and done. Now let's just cut one open. Oh yeah, look at this. And there you go, a nice chicken pot pocket pie. That's it.